Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain update trigger. So it will perform check before update statement when we you create instead of update trigger. So we have two type of update trigger similar as or delete and insert. One is after, one is instead of. So let's see instead of update. So in instead of update, what will happen first? Like when we execute the update statement, then instead of executing that update statement, it will execute the trigger. Let's see how does it work. So in this table I want to create a trigger on employee table instead of on update DML statement. Okay, my requirement is the minimum salary of any employee is 25,000. We should not update the salary of employee less than 15,000. So just example, by mistake I am trying to update salary 15,000 where ID is equal to 32. Okay, so by mistake I can do this kind of thing. So to stop this activity I have created a instead of update. So in instead of update, what will I do? I will check the salary. Okay, if the salary is less than 25,000, then I will add minimum salary, means I will update minimum salary in that table. Okay, and if not, then like if a salary is greater and if salary is greater than 25,000, then simply what will I do? I will add whatever I was inserting. Okay, now when we create a trigger on any of the table, by default if we update the table, like if we update the table, in update what happen, either insert will happen or delete will happen. So when we update the value, the previous value will delete and new value will insert. So deleted value will store in deleted table and new value will store in insert table. 1 minute. So let's see. So what I am doing, I am declaring here, I have declared here salary ID, and then I am taking salary which will insert in inserted table, and then ID which then I am taking ID which will store in deleted table. Okay, now let me create a table trigger this. So this trigger is already exist, cannot trigger create trigger on employee table because instead of update trigger already exists. So let's drop this then. This trigger already exists, it means I have already created drop trigger and trigger name. So let's drop this. Now I am going to create trigger. So I have created a trigger now. So what it will do, this trigger will update the employee table. Okay, and it will stop to update a employee table through normal statement, like we cannot update this table using this statement. Okay, so let me update this. First let's take the data. Select a star from employee. So for ID2 the salary is 25,000. Okay, now I want to update with 15,000. Let's see whether I am able to update or not. So I executed this. Okay, so after execution of this, what happened, my salary got updated, but it should not be 15,000, it should be 25,000, because instead of executing this update statement, my trigger executed. Okay, and then in the trigger it checked salary. So salary was less than 25,000, so this update statement got executed, not this or not the part of else. Okay, and how did it get the value? It get the value, a salary get the value from inserted table, because this is the new table. Okay, so let's see the data. Now we can see id to 25,000, not 15,000. Okay, so this is the use of what update trigger, or instead of update trigger in SQL Server. Thank you.